welcome to my apartment in beautiful Tokyo, Japan. Well, it's been a long time since we had a recipe video here on Ramen Adventures, but that's about to change right now because I was given this giant thing. What is it? Right. This is it's an air fryer. So yeah, the nice people at Bagote hooked me up with this air fryer. I'm gonna cook some fried food. Now, got my book right here, Ramen at Home, the easy Japanese cookbook for classic ramen and bold new flavors. But a little bit of a problem, ramen is not fried at all. I got a section in the back of side dishes. And some of my side dishes are fried. You got it, fried side dishes. You know, I included some in my ramen cookbook, and actually almost every other ramen cookbook out there has a section on sides, and they all tend to have a fried chicken recipe. Ivan's book from years ago, he's got a section in here. It's for fried chicken teriyaki. Basically the same thing. Simply Ramen, another awesome ramen cookbook. And she's got another chicken teriyaki thing. And hey, even here in Let's Make Ramen, this brand new book by my buddy Hugh and Sarah, it has not a karaage, not a deep fried chicken recipe, but it has a yakitori recipe. And how are they the same? Well, all of these recipes for cooking Japanese chicken, it's all about the zuke. It's all about the sauce that you marinate your chicken in before cooking it. You know, I'll give you a quick, simple recipe for that. And we're gonna marinate that chicken, bread it, deep fry it in the air fryer, and see how it comes out. Let's get cooking. All of the recipes for karaage are mega easy. Chunks of chicken thighs go in a bag, spices go in the bag, and it gets mixed. That's about it. For my recipe, take 1.5 pounds of boneless chicken thighs and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Add 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1/2 inch of ginger, minced, 1/4 cup sake, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. A quick shout out to Onikoroshi brand sake in a juice cup. It's it's not, no, it's pretty bad stuff. It's not that good, but hey, if you need some sake to cook with, it's like, this juice cup's it's less than $1. I think it was 98 yen for a juice cup of Onikoroshi sake, so we're good. Fresh ingredients are best, but you can use the easy stuff like I did here. This recipe is a bit heavy on the garlic, so feel free to reduce that if you like. Actually, these numbers are completely up to you. As long as you use soy sauce and sake, you can basically customize your recipe with other seasonings. Once everything is in the bag, mix it up and let it rest in the fridge for at least an hour. Overnight is even better. When you're ready to cook, coat the chicken in 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Potato starch works too. I'll be using an air fryer for this recipe. Normally you would fry the stuff in a vat of oil. With an air fryer, you don't need to use any of that oil. Healthy style. The karaage is done. Let's see. Wow. Okay. Looks like karaage. Oh, can I just... It's hot. Hot. Oh my god, it's hot. Hot. Damn, it's hot. Okay, karaage time. Always gotta have a little lemon. That's all you season it with. There you go. Simple. Mmm. Mmm. I love it. Mmm. 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 That's good. I should record some ASMR for this. This is nice. Welcome to Ramen Adventures. ASMR. Delicious. Mmm, delicious karaage. Yum. ASMR. It's amazing. I found that 15 minutes at 380 degrees worked out nicely. Nice and crispy. And thank you to Bagote for sending me this easy-to-use air fryer. Although it had some program modes, you can just set the time and temperature, press start, and you'll have some food ready in a few minutes. Just to be transparent, they did send me this machine for free in return for a video review, so I should probably say that it is perfect for a family, dishwasher safe, and uses 80% less oil than traditional frying. In my case, it seemed more like 100% less oil, but I guess the small amount of sesame oil counts for something. My only problem with this unit was that I started eating too much store-bought frozen fried food after this. Shrimp katsu, Japanese pumpkin koroke, pre-made karaage, and frozen takoyaki octopus balls. I also made some pretty decent fried gyoza with this machine, though I still prefer pan fried when it comes to my pot stickers. Check the link in the description and use this offer code for a discount. Thanks for joining me for another ramen adventure recipe. See you next time.